Welcome back to Trading Cars, friends. Today we bring you a review that is going to set a new benchmark in the world of luxury motorhomes. I'm talking about the 2026 Furrion Elysium. If you've ever dreamed of owning a motorhome that's not just a vehicle but a moving luxury mansion, then the Furrion Elysium will win your heart. This is not just an RV, it's a complete 5-star resort on wheels. Its design, features, performance, and technology make you feel like you've stepped into the future. So let's get into this detailed review where we'll talk about its exterior, interior, performance, and pricing so you can decide if this is the perfect choice for your luxury lifestyle. Let's start with the exterior design. The 2026 Furrion Elysium has a futuristic and aerodynamic appearance. Its body is made from premium lightweight composite material, which not only ensures durability but also enhances fuel efficiency. At first glance, you can tell this is no ordinary motorhome. It measures around 45 feet in length, giving it a commanding presence on the road. The front fascia features sleek LED matrix headlights that make night driving both safe and stylish. On the side, you'll find flush-mounted frameless windows that not only look elegant but also provide better insulation. The roof is equipped with integrated solar panels for eco-friendly energy, and the most impressive feature, a fully functional helipad. Yes, the Furrion Elysium has a rooftop helipad where you can park a small helicopter, allowing you to bypass traffic and travel by air whenever you wish. The exterior also offers an extendable balcony, perfect for outdoor lounging. Motorized slide-outs in the side walls expand the interior space when stationary. Below, you'll find integrated waterproof and lockable storage compartments for luggage, outdoor gear, and tools. The multi-layer pearl effect paint finish changes shade depending on the sunlight angle, while the chrome-accented grille and matching alloy wheel trims take its luxury appeal to the next level. Now, stepping inside is where the real magic happens. The interior is ultra-luxurious, starting with a spacious lounge area featuring premium Italian leather sofas, handcrafted wood paneling, and ambient LED mood lighting. The generous ceiling height gives an open, airy feel. The living area houses a 65-inch 8K OLED TV with a hidden lift mechanism, complemented by Furrion's proprietary 3D surround sound system for a cinema-like experience. The kitchen is a fully equipped gourmet setup with a smart induction cooktop, convection oven, built-in coffee machine, wine chiller, and Wi-Fi-enabled smart refrigerator that can even track your groceries. Marble countertops, a deep sink, and a touchless faucet add style and practicality. The dining area features an extendable table with ergonomic chairs, offering comfort whether on the road or parked. The bedroom is fitted with a king-size memory foam bed with adjustable firmness and an integrated massage function in the headboard for ultimate relaxation after a long drive. Wireless charging pads are built into the side tables, and smart blinds can be controlled by voice command. The bedroom even offers private balcony access, a rare luxury in motorhomes. The bathroom is designed like a personal spa, featuring a rainfall shower, steam room, and jacuzzi tub. Heated floors and anti-fog smart mirrors make it even more premium. The entire interior is connected through a smart home system, allowing you to control lighting, climate, security cameras, and entertainment from a single touchscreen or via voice commands. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2026 Furrion Elysium is not just about luxury. It's a powerful performer. It comes with a hybrid diesel-electric powertrain, producing 800 horsepower. The diesel engine is perfect for long-distance cruising, while the electric motors offer zero-emission performance in city driving. An advanced air suspension system absorbs every bump, delivering a smooth, comfortable ride. Its turning radius is surprisingly good for a vehicle of its size, making urban driving more manageable. The 10-speed automatic transmission provides seamless gear shifts, and the regenerative braking system helps recharge the batteries while driving. Considering its size and weight, the fuel efficiency is impressive. Driver assist features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, a 360-degree camera system, blind spot monitoring, and even autonomous parking. Beyond on-road performance, this motorhome also offers off-road capabilities. The all-wheel drive system and adjustable ride height let you confidently take it on unpaved roads. The battery capacity is large enough to let you run in pure electric mode for extended periods, making it both eco-friendly and versatile.